Hey, in today's tutorial we're going to take this image, which is kind of very washed out and kind of lifeless, and we're going to bring some life into it. The first thing I notice about this image is that the contrast and the saturation is a little low on both ends. So the first thing I'm going to do is increase the saturation on this image by holding down Control and the letter U on my keyboard. Bring the saturation up somewhat, just a little bit, and hit OK. Next thing we're going to do is do a curves adjustment for contrast. So we're going to hold down the Control key and the letter M, and let me bring in the curves dialog box. Now on this curves, here's the center. Just go to the center and click on the center. Then we're going to go up one box to the corner and click right there. Go back to the center. Go down one box corner to the left and click that on. Now this dot represents the shadows, and this one represents the highlights, and this of course is the mid-tone or gray, mid grays. So I'm already on the shadows. Let me move this out of the way here a little bit, and using my down arrow keys I'm going to increase the shadows slightly here. Now I'll go to the highlights, click that on, and I'll use my up arrow keys and I'll bring that up just a little bit, and this is what we had before and that's what we have now, and I'll click OK. The next thing I want to do is create a little depth to the sky. So I'm going to create a new layer, and in that layer, with my colors set to the default, I'm going to create a gradient, and I'm going to use foreground transparent, and black is my default color, and click OK. Then I'm going to go down here, up here to the top of the image, holding down my shift key so I get a straight line right down. I'm going to come down to right around here and make this layer's blending mode change. Let me show you what we got here. Let me bring it up here. We're going to switch this blending mode to soft light. Okay, this is just a quick example on how we can bring back some life to an image that seems a little lifeless. And you know, that happens. This is the before, and that's our after. Thank you.